Windsor-Essex is located right next to Detroit at the beginning of Canada, in the heart of Canada's innovation corridor. We've evolved into a global leader, not only in the mobility tech sector, but the tech sector in general, with a market presence that is growing every day. When Stellantis and LG Energy Solution decided to invest over $5 billion into Canada's first large-scale lithium-ion battery production plant, they chose Windsor-Essex for a reason. Actually, several reasons. We're the home of many tech startups and established tech industry leaders alike, in part because of our innovation support system centered around a number of regional incubators. We're the home of Canada's Automobility Hub, an innovation center focused on the development and manufacturing of innovative products to support the future of sustainable mobility. And when it comes to talent, Windsor-Essex is a dual threat. We both develop and attract talent. We're home to several major research facilities and institutes of higher education, including the University of Windsor and St. Clair College, both of which are world-renowned and stock our talent pipeline. We attract and retain talent because our region is, in and of itself, attractive. Cost of living, climate, lifestyle amenities, Windsor-Essex has become one of North America's ideal expansion destinations. Our proximity to the U.S. allows all the perks of a big city and the comforts of a small town. And of course, that proximity is also the reason why we have so many cross-border collaborations. We're one of Canada's most diverse communities at the center of the richest consumer market in the world. As a matter of fact, we're the home of the busiest commercial Canada-US border crossing. The under-construction Gordie Howe International Bridge project, a $6 billion, once-in-a-generation undertaking, is not simply an indicator of the strategic importance of our region, but a reminder that Windsor-Essex is the bridge to your future. By now, many of the boxes have been checked, but we know it takes more than just a video with facts and figures to make a decision as important as this. It's time to cross into Canada's Innovation Hub. See for yourself, and there's a good chance you'll realize that Windsor-Essex is the bridge to your future. Visit thefutureiswe.ca to learn more and schedule a visit.